Hey, what's up you guys? It's the Tastemaker. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today we are going to be doing a hair tutorial and a try on haul. I received a wig from AFSISTER wigs. This is my first time working with them, so I'm really interested in seeing what this wig is all about. This wig did come with a blue ribbon wrapped around it, which was really nice, but I took it off so that I can open up the wig or whatever. And today I'm also going to be doing a try on haul, trying on some pieces that I received from Rosegal. I did a review for them last year during the fall season, and fall is back again. It's coming right around, so I got some pieces for fall and somewhat summer. I live in Los Angeles, so the weather doesn't really change that much. It's either hot or it's cold. Like, it's pretty much it. So here is the wig we are going to be trying on today. Let's go ahead and take it out of the packaging. So this is something that just slides out like such. So this was on there, just an FYI, but I did take it off. And then this is a stuffing paper for the wig. So today, you guys, as you guys can probably already tell, it's a bob. Look how short it is. It's really short. They have it in a middle part, I'm guessing. Here it is. The lace is very transparent. I did not bleach the knots in this wig or anything, and I'm actually not going to because the lace is so transparent, and on top of that, the knots are really small. You see what I mean? So I really don't need to do anything but put foundation on the lace. I'm not gonna pluck it either because, as you guys can see, this wig is pre-plucked. Here is the inside construction of the wig. It does come with an elastic band. Today I'm actually going to use the elastic band. I never do. This wig also comes with combs. You get a lot of lace parting space. This is definitely a 13 by 6. You also get the adjustable straps in the back, and of course a comb and some lace back here, and I'm going to cut that off. Somebody else started to cut it off for me, child. Look at this. It came what the hell? I promise you I didn't do that, y'all. I don't know what happened there, but I guess somebody was about to start cutting it off and then stop cutting it. We did receive a free wig cap. I already have one on, and I did put foundation on it already, so I'm not gonna need this today, but I will definitely use that in the future. And then while we're trying it on, make sure you are preheating your flat iron. This is removable, by the way, so if you don't want to have the elastic on, you don't have to. There, like that, and boom. Where's my mirror? Like, you see how cute it is already? Like, I feel like Craig's mama from Friday. So this is currently what's going on right now. I'm just trying it on, see how everything is fitting. And because I have this elastic band on, the wig is like really tight. So tight in a good way though, not a bad way, so don't worry. You guys see what I mean? How transparent the lace is? I didn't even put any foundation underneath. I probably should at least do that, huh? But the knots are so small, like, look you guys, so tiny. So even if you are to like bleach this or whatever, it's gonna be so bomb. Let me just go ahead and cut this lace off too while I'm at it.
You can get the biggest Chanel back in the store if you want it. I gave them the drill, they sucked it up, I got them on it. I bought a new bag, I had the one, so I two-toned them. Taking these drugs, I'm gonna be up until the morning. That ain't your car, you just a lease, so you don't own it. If I'm in the club, I got that 5 when I'm performing. The back end just came in and all honest. Vibes galore, cute shit, they all on us. I'm from Atlanta where young niggas run shit. I know they hating on me, but I don't read comments. Whenever I tell her to come, she coming. Whenever it's smoke, we ain't running. Drip too hard, don't stand too close. You gon' fuck around the town off this way, doing all these shows. I've been on the road, I don't care where I go, long as I get paid. Bad little vibe, she been on my mind. Soon as I get back, she can slid. Do this all the time, this ain't no surprise. Every other night another movie get made. Drip too hard, don't stand too close. You gon' fuck around the town off this way, doing all these shows. I've been on the road, I don't care where I go, long as I get paid. Bad little vibe, she been on my mind. Soon as I get back, she can slid. Do this all the time, this ain't no surprise. Every I get paid. Bad little vibe, she been on my mind. Soon as I get back, she can slip. Do this all the time, this ain't no surprise. Every other night another movie get made. Jump too hard, don't stand too close. You gon' fuck around and drown off this way. Doing all these shows, I been on the road. I don't care where I go, long as I get paid. Bad little vibe, she been on my mind. Soon as I get back, she can slip. Do this all the time.
This is the finished look for my hair. I absolutely love this bob. They cut it so freaking good. Like, look how perfectly short it is. It's just perfect, literally perfect. All I literally did was flat iron this bob. I changed the part, I just made it a curved part instead of like the straight part that they had, and then just gave myself like a super bang or whatever. And I love that. And then I just took some hair from here, made like some little swoop baby hairs, and then slicked this part down. So I really didn't have to do anything. I did not bleach this wig, I didn't pluck it. You guys saw this lace is transparent. I also love the fact that this wig comes with an elastic band, because I didn't have to use any got2b spray or anything to adhere my wig. It just feels so secure, and I just love the fact that it's a glueless way to apply your units, because you really don't want to put chemicals on your skin. Don't want to be putting glue on your skin. So it's always great when you have an alternative where you can just use an elastic band that's comfortable, it's adjustable, it's removable, and everything about this wig is just perfect. Like, I love the quality of the hair. It moves so bomb. It's very edgy, and I think it's different for me. I've never tried anything like this before. I've never cut my hair like this before, and this is definitely going to be a new staple. If you guys want to purchase this wig, I will leave a link to it down below. It is so freaking cute, and the packaging was great. The shipping was really fast as well, so it's just a win-win-win. Now that our hair is done, let's go ahead and get into these pieces that I picked up from Rosegal. So I did receive quite a bit from Rosegal, and I have some shoes, I have eyewear, I have clothes, dresses, pants, top. I have everything, sis, everything literally. So because it's fall, I feel like everybody needs a really cute like two-piece set, like a pant set. I think that's like essential. So I picked up this one. I really like the print on here. This is really freaking cute. This is a jacket. I really like it. It's so freaking good. Like, I like the quality of this jacket. I didn't know, I wasn't really sure what to expect. The only thing that I'm worried about is this zipper. Like, I just don't know like how this zipper situation is gonna work, because I just feel like it's gonna break on me. I don't know, I just feel it. Jacket fits great, but the bottoms, I just wish I probably would have went a size down, because these bottoms are kind of big on me, like in the crotch area, so I have to pull them up like pretty high-waisted so that it's not too loose there, but it's still a little loose for me. But other than that, this is a really cute set. So this is the next item that I received. Now I know right here it doesn't look that flattering, but I will show you guys in a minute what this looks like on. I really do like this top because I like the twist part right here. You guys see, hold on, I'm holding it wrong. I really like the twist part right here in the top, and I thought this was cute. The material is different from what I thought it was gonna be. I thought this was gonna be a cotton material, but I noticed with like a lot of like Asian companies, they like using this like spandexy polyester. I don't even know what this is. Is there a tag in here that says the materials? No, but I don't have too many crop tops like this that are like actual t-shirts. This next piece that I got is this lingerie kind of looking piece. It's a bodysuit. It's lacy, as you guys can see. It's really cute. One thing that I really liked about this bodysuit is the fact that it has a snap bottom. Here's the top portion. This is one that actually has another layer on it, so you don't have to worry about being exposed or anything like that. But then it still has like this sexy area here in the stomach part where it has the mesh, so you can still show a little bit of skin. This bodysuit is also adjustable. It has adjustable straps here, as you guys can see. I personally love buying lace bodysuits because you can just pair them with so many different things. It's quick and easy. You can pair them with skirts, jeans. But this next dress is like, oh my god, when I saw this dress, I was like, add to cart, I need this. Like, I hope it doesn't go out of stock because this is so cute. So first of all, this color. Fall is all about these deep colors, the wines, the olives, the nudes, and I really love this silky wine color dress. I just feel like it's so freaking cute. Here are the straps. The straps are like stretchy like this. I like how it drapes on the side here. It's like perfectly ruched. And another thing that I like about this dress also is the fact that the slit on the side is like perfect. It just cuts right where I feel like it needs to. It shows just the right amount of leg for me. The only thing that I would do is probably still take this in a little bit so that it's more form-fitting. So I've really been liking these types of dresses, like slip dresses. So I also picked up this one. The only thing about this one, you guys, is like I was trying to make sure that I got the right size for me because I really like this dress a lot, and I still ended up getting the wrong size. So I mean, hey, whatever. But this is the dress. It's like this leopard print dress. It's really cute. And then it's supposed to drape like in the boob area, like it's, I don't know, it just didn't fit that way for me. And that's that, but it is still a really cute dress. It's definitely perfect for like Sunday brunch with like friends or family. So I ordered some rompers, and I thought this romper was cute, but I feel like this romper is also too big for me because it's so much fabric. I feel like the belt that comes with this kind of gets lost in the fabric, so I actually paired mine with like a different belt. I have like this gold belt. Their mediums and American mediums are like two different things. One of my favorite parts of this top are the sleeves. The sleeves are like my favorite. I really love bell sleeves like this. This is another really cute romper. The only issue with this one for me is like the boob area, and then I just want this to be a little bit tighter, but that's something that can be fixed. But yeah, I really like this. Once again, it does have that zipper on the side that's like invisible. You can't really see it, which is great. I love when they have things like this. And one thing that I like about this one was because it's a romper, but when you wear it, it kind of looks like a dress a little bit. Now let's get into some pants. Now these pants right here, shawty, are my favorite. So I did lace this up by myself. It does not come like this. They do just have the pants in the bag, and then they have like the strings in there, so you have to lace them up yourself. But the quality of these pants are so nice. It is suede material. You guys can see that, and it's so freaking soft. They don't have like any zippers or anything, so it's just stretchy, but the material is really nice, and I feel like this is something that I will have in my closet for years. These next pants are also a favorite of mine. I've actually already worn these. I wore these last week, but I accidentally ripped a hole in them, so I have to like fix that, but you can't tell. But these are the pants. They're these really cute leopard flare pants. I feel like leopard pants are just like a must, especially when they're long like this and they flare at the bottom. Like, this is gonna be so cute. Really like these pants. They fit really cute. They make your butt look nice, and they're nice. They're just a perfect fit for me. Also, another thing I like about it is the fact that the material is also very comfortable on the body, and that's one thing that's important to me. Like, I like material that feels good. I hate wearing clothes that feel cheap. These are going to be perfect for the fall season coming up. I'm really excited to be wearing these this fall. We're pretty much done with the clothes, so we're gonna go ahead and get into the accessories. So I got 3 pair of sunglasses from them. Now these shades are all very much so different from one another, but all of them come in their own personal cases, which I really like. Like, I have 3, and they all come in their own case, so that's great. So when you're traveling, or if you want to put your glasses in your purse and you don't want to damage them or anything, these are always great. So these are the first pair. Let me go ahead and try these on for you guys. Boom. They feel a little crooked though. Like, it feels like they're a little crooked. I could be wrong. Look at my eyelash coming out the top. Yeah, they are crooked. They don't sit straight. So that's the only problem that I have with these glasses, is that they're crooked. I don't know what to do about that. But this side is like leaning down more than this side. Y'all probably can't even tell. But they are pretty cute glasses. I really do like these. They're very nice. The only thing is that it's just a little crooked. I'm not really sure why that is. I have to like really look at it and see like what's off about it. But they just feel a little crooked to me. Oh, I see it. Like, even in the back part, like, I don't know if you guys probably can't tell. Y'all can't tell. So I have always wanted a pair of Cartier glasses. I just like the vintage ones. Oh my god, like, I'm obsessed. Like, I love them. Like, Quavo has like these bust down Cartier glasses. Like, oh my god, they're so bomb. And these ones are rimless glasses, and they're just so bomb. Like, look at these. God, talk to me nice. Just talk to me nice. Like, look at these glasses. And I like the fact that you see it has like that gold detail there. Like, it's so freaking nice. Like, I love it. And it has like the tortoise print here on this part. I'm gonna try these ones on for you guys so y'all can see the vibes. You know what I'm saying? Like, they're just really cute. But I wouldn't wear it with the hair that I have on today, but I just really like these glasses. It's a vibe, like it's a whole vibe. These last pair of glasses that I'm gonna show you guys are more edgy. They're not for everybody, but they're for me. So some people are gonna be like, oh my God, those are fucking ugly. But I think they're cute, and I have like a whole little look that I wanna do with these. Like, I'm gonna definitely put a look together for these because they are like this. Look, they're like flames. And you guys know like the whole flame thing is really in. But these are like those glasses that you're not really supposed to wear on your eyes. They're just supposed to sit like right there. Oh my God, my phones. I just think these are such a freaking vibe. Like, I can't wait to take like some really cute pictures in these because they're just so freaking cute to me. And they come in a lot of different colors. So if you don't like the black ones, they have like these iridescent ones that are like multicolor. Oh my God, they're so freaking cute. But they have a lot of different ones. Definitely really cute to me. If you don't like them, it doesn't matter because they're mine. So here is another item that I got from them, and I know you guys are like, what the hell is that? So you guys know that I do hair, of course, if you're on my channel, duh. But I have been wanting one of these for a really long time, so let me just show you what it is. When I seen it on their website, I was like, girl, I need that. So this is the base for it, and it's one of those like 6-in-1 like curling irons. I am so excited to try this out. But yeah, so this is the base for it, and then it has all the different heads. 6 different heads. Oh, I'm getting hot, honey. Okay, and then it also comes with a glove, so like to protect your hands, you always need these. I used to have some, but then I lost them. I don't know what happened to them. Sorry you guys, but I really had to turn that air conditioning on because I can't. So this is the first one. And you literally, you see the bottom part, you just stick it on there. But this is this one, and they're all just different sizes. This is like a bigger one. I really don't want to take all of them out though. This one I thought was really interesting, and it kind of looks like something inappropriate. I'm not gonna say it. If you know it, you know it. If you don't, hey, you don't. But yeah, this one, I'm really interested in trying this one out and seeing what kind of curls this would give my hair. I've never seen anything like this, but I am gonna be using these in my next video, so make sure you do have your post notification bell turned on. Lastly, we have some shoes. We all love shoes. Every woman loves shoes. I don't care what you say, you love them shoes. So these shoes are not really like fall colored shoes, but I really like them on the website. These are the heels. They're like very neon. The only thing that I didn't like is like the neon green here doesn't really match this neon green, but I guess it'll be fine because I mean no one's really gonna tell. But yeah, they're just these neon green heels. They're not very tall heels either, and they are kind of like a black heel, so these are gonna be very comfortable to walk in. And I ordered them in a 38. They fit pretty good. So this is the final item that I picked up from Rosegal. These are just some clear mules. So they look like this, and I like these better than the ones that were like the boots, because I have the ones that are like boots, and those are so freaking uncomfortable. Like your feet sweat and it's just terrible. So these are the heels. They're just like these clear mules. I feel like mules are just perfect. They're so easy to just slip on, slip off, but these are what they look like. Very cute, and your toes come out the bottom, so you don't have to worry about, you know, your toes being all sweaty. These are really cute. Love these. I just don't know if I can fit them. They're both of these shoes are in a size 38, but I just think because of the material that it's made out of, it's kind of hard to like get your foot in. So if you do decide to order these heels, I would definitely go a size up. But yeah, love these heels, super cute. So shout out to Rosegal for sending over these items. You guys definitely laced me up for the fall season and then some. Also, shout out to AFSISTER for sending me over my new favorite bob wig. I absolutely love this wig. You guys are definitely gonna see me in this wig a lot. I just think it's so freaking cute, and I just love it. I love it. It's like I have nothing bad to say about it. Thank you guys so much for watching. I know this was a really long video, but I hope you still enjoyed it, and I will see all of you guys in my next one. Bye!